Hey everyone, it's Sal here, freestylepicks.org. Please click subscribe if you are not already a subscriber. Please click subscribe and like this video. Alright guys, today I want to make a quick case for $10 per share KGJI. If you guys want to talk about a great opportunity to jump on right now, it's KGJI. Beautiful, beautiful chart, but more importantly, we've got to understand why this stock has so much value that has yet to be expressed in the stock price. First, we got to understand what the company is. The company, Kingold Jewelry, is the leading producer of 24 karat jewelry in China. Okay, they supply wholesalers and retailers all across the country. Now, it would be unfair to compare it to Zales. I've heard some people in chat rooms call it the Zales of China. They're almost, 6 to 7 times bigger than Zales. Okay, so please stop calling it the Zales of China. It is on a far bigger level than what Zales does here in the United States. Since 2006, they had sales of 29 million. They just reached $1 billion in sales in 2015, and they're poised for continued growth. Okay. Obviously, when we look at the price of gold, we're retesting that 1360 high that we reached recently on August 1st. So we're headed back to test that again, as you can see here, as it makes its way back up to retest that price. But more importantly, as the price of gold stays high and we retest that level, the more valuable, of course, their products get, and more valuable the stock for more important purposes becomes. All right, so but let's get back into like the bigger details here, because we got to understand, why do I think this is going to be a $10 a share stock. First, we need to understand, what does gold jewelry mean to China, because I think people don't really understand what gold means to Chinese people. And I've got this really great article. I'm going to put it in the description. But just to show you guys here, just a quick brief. For thousands of years, gold jewelry has been used to mark special occasions in the Chinese calendar, from the Chinese New Year to Mid-Autumn festivals, weddings, birthdays. Gold is and was the color of the emperor and associated with good luck, often paired with red, as well. So, and is given for gifts and special occasions. So you've got to understand, Chinese population still growing, but more importantly, still becoming wealthier and wealthier as the years go by. But at the same time, guys, as you read this article, you're learning that the Chinese people value gold. I mean, it's literally as a good luck charm to them. So as a person graduates from school, gets married, I mean, whatever major life event happens, these people buy each other gold, right? To celebrate this. And this is not something where they give the gold that they earn to someone else. They're constantly buying, to give to someone else. Whatever gold you have is yours to keep, to celebrate for that whatever time that you had. So they're not recycling, gold. They're buying. They're constantly buying, going out into the into the open market and buying gold. And they're buying gold from Kingold Jewelry. So I just want to give a basic overall of why this stock is going to continue to be growing, why this stock is continue to be valuable. Again, we're talking about a company here that at the end of the day still has a PE, a price to earnings ratio of 3.2. 3.2. Now I know it's a little bit different on other websites, but the fact of the matter is we're talking about a PE that's below 5. Okay, and we're trading at $2.55, and we have a PE below 5. So that tells us, for those of you guys who understand price to earnings ratio, that this stock is incredibly cheap right now. In fact, it's too cheap to be trading right now. So this is a complete buy. And for more justification on why I think this is a $10 a share stock, let's go and see what they did recently to earnings. They literally destroyed earnings. Okay, so we've got to understand, this is a company that with recent earnings, revenue for the quarter spiked 56% to 390 million year over year. Okay, this is the next quarter, year over year. All right, revenue spiked 56%. All right, Kingold processed over 20 tons of jewelry, an increase in almost 40% from the year before. So it's just incredible uh, gains over the last year. Okay, incredible gains. More volume is coming to the stock almost every single day. They've got a buy rating at thestreet.com, but more importantly, they earned over 30 cents a share in earnings. Okay, that's compared to a penny the same quarter a year ago. So this is a company that has really been doing all the right things to turn up this business, and it's showing in the performance of the stock. It really is showing in the performance of the stock. So absolutely incredible. This came out, the stock was at 224. We're at 256 now. So, and this came out just a couple days ago. This was July, 6, what was this? This was August 15th. This is only 3 days ago. We've already up another quarter. So guys, there's so much more to go. And of course, ladies and gentlemen, there are going to be days when the stock goes down. There might be some profit taking here in a couple days. It could be as soon as tomorrow. But the fact of the matter is, when you look at the chart overall, all right, it has its days when it settles and gets into a funnel. But the fact of the matter is, you know what the value is here, what the value proposition is here. You're talking about one of the largest producers of gold jewelry in the world, trading at a PE ratio below 5 at $2.55 a share, with over $390 million in revenue per quarter. Okay, it's insane, absolutely, right now. So I'm making the case right now for $10 per share for this stock in the next year or so. This time next year, we could be looking at a $10 a share company. Obviously, most of you guys aren't going to hold it that long. I know I'm going to be holding it for as long as it's making money, as consistently as it is right now. All right, guys, it's late, but I just wanted to put that out to you to make the case for KGJI. You need to watch this right now, $2.55. I wanted to make a video to put that out there, that this stock is a buy, so that one day in the future, people can look at this and say, man, that guy was right on the money. KGJI is the stock, guys. Really can't lose with this one long term. Take care.